It's a beautiful afternoon here on Marina Peninsula Beach, and that is a Wednesday afternoon, which is a day when many of the sailboaters take off from Marina del Rey and come out and regatta out here on a Wednesday afternoon, a beautiful Wednesday afternoon. And there's something rather special. As I pan around, you can see the many sailboats that are bunched up out there. But amongst those sailboats is a rather large 390-foot Russian luxury yacht. Now, this yacht is owned by Andrey Melnichenko, who is a Russian industrialist, is that correct? Or some sort of business billionaire magnate. And as you can see, it doesn't fit the profile of your typical luxury yacht. That's because it's built for security. They say all of the windows in it are bulletproof, and it closes up rather nicely. People in there are fairly secure from whatever might attack them, I guess. At any rate, he's parked not more than a couple hundred yards off the coast here, which is unusually close for any ship of that size. And you might be able to detect a little A on the back. That is for Yacht A. That is his nomenclature for this yacht. And I've seen rumors that it goes for about, 300 million is what he put into this baby. We think this speedboat that's coming in is going to land or go inside that yacht. It's a beautiful scene with those sails in the background. I'm afraid my exposure might not be so great here. It's a little dark. Go in the yacht?
He's alongside.
He's on the other side?
On the left side of it, yeah.
This yacht is equipped with a garage, which is accessed by doors, which you really can't see. They're so flush. They're made so well. They're, I believe this is a Swedish or made yacht. I think Netherlands. The Netherlands. Pardon me, Netherlands. Anyway, it's a Netherlands-made yacht with a. What's the guy's name that did the interior? Famous designer did the interiors on this thing. Phillippe. Check that out. Google it for more information about this exciting scene here. We'll pull around so you can see the whole yacht now. It's German built.
Phillippe Stark.
Phillippe Stark. Phillippe Stark.
German built.
German built with Phillippe Stark interiors. And there's our, no, that's a different craft. We got a motorboat in the action. Some of these sailboats have been coming rather close. They've been circling the ship. Honestly, from this distance, it does not impress me as being 390 feet. It's big, but it's just the way it's built, I think, that it doesn't, for some reason, doesn't look that big. But it definitely is a floating fortress, no question about that. I'll zoom out so you can see these people walking by. That'll give you an idea how close in this craft is. Drawing quite a bit of attention here out on the beach, Marina del Rey, just south of Venice Beach in Los Angeles, California.